Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to find your connected followers' activity on Facebook using a PC. With Facebook's new update, accessing this information is easier than ever. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see your homepage. Next, locate your profile photo at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This section allows you to manage various aspects of your account. Now, within the Settings and Privacy menu, click on Activity Log. The Activity Log is where all your interactions and connections on Facebook are stored and organized for easy access. Once inside the Activity Log, look for the Connections section in the left-hand panel. Under Connections, click on Followers. This will take you to a page displaying all the activity related to your followers. On this page, you'll be able to see a list of people who follow you along with details about their activity. If you have followers engaging with your content, their activities will be visible here. And that's it. You've successfully accessed your followers' activity on Facebook using a PC. This feature is great for understanding who interacts with your profile and keeping track of connections. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from these steps.